What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before I even start off this video today, I just want to say I know I haven't been posting in I feel like it's been a while, like over a month. Yeah, it's been a minute, but the reason for that is because one, I've been pretty busy with work and stuff like that, but as far as the channel goes, just been waiting on parts to come in. It's a lot of money when you start building the car, so just been taking my time, not trying to rush into anything. But in the way that we're going, if I want to do one part on the car, it's going to take a few other parts to go along with it. So I'll give you guys a little hint. We got a little bit of a pile over here. You know, we got some stuff. I don't want to show too much, but we got some stuff over there. We're waiting on some other stuff, and once we have everything, then I will continue on the car build. But for now, we're just playing the waiting game. I did install Invidia Catless Downpipe on the car though, so that's gonna be the video for today. And yeah, let's jump right into that. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a little while since we worked on the Subi, but finally got it back on jack stands and we're ready to work on it again. So today we're going to be pulling off the stock downpipe because we're going to be throwing in Invidia Catless on there. In the meantime, before we do if we do turbo kits and stuff, we're just going to do that. So if you see behind me, it's a little different in the garage. So we got full on home gym now. Seth bought after we got home. So and then we also built a shelf above our tool bench because that was getting cluttered, and it's already cluttered. So we're going to clean that up, and then we're going to start pulling the downpipe off this car. So the car already has an Invidia Catback exhaust, so we're going to be throwing in a Catless downpipe. So the stock downpipe, if you can see down there, it's obviously bolted into the back of the turbo and then bolted onto the catback. So we just have to take the O2 sensor off, the 5 bolts that bolt into the back of the turbo, and then the 2 bolts that bolt into the catback, and that's really it. So I'm going to start by pulling the intercooler off. So we got the hose clamp here, you got your bypass valve, a few bolts all the way around it. You can see the little red hose down at the bottom with the clamp, just got to pull that off as well. But that's it. Then you can pull the intercooler out, and we can get to the bolts on the back of the turbo. Start by taking these 10 mil bolts out. Okay, those lines are free. We'll loosen up this clamp and the clamp down there, and then we'll have the hoses free. Then we take off the bypass valve, take off the bolts holding on the intercooler, and we can pull this all the way out. Okay, bypass valve. Alrighty guys, so next thing you're going to want to do is come over on the downpipe and break that O2 sensor loose. I was able to just take an adjustable wrench and she broke free, so go ahead and take that out, and then we can start taking the bolts off of the downpipe. Alright, already got all these bolts loose, so go ahead and just take them off. They're honestly not even that tight. Alright, next you're just going to come underneath, take your 2 bolts off that connect your downpipe to your catback, and then you should be free, and you can pull the downpipe off the car. Alright, so we have the new exhaust right here. It's a Catless Invidia. It has an extra O2 bung if I wanted to go wideband, but we're just going to leave that plugged up for now. Turbo to downpipe gasket, and then also a downpipe to catback gasket. For that actually came with the exhaust, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this mounted up in the car right now and get the intercooler back on, and then we can get a first start. Alright guys, I know it's super sunny out, but we did get it all back in. I don't know what you can see down there, but we have a turbo blanket as well. So no more heat shields. I'm just going to run that for now. Downpipes on, intercooler's all back together, and we are ready to get a map on the car, and then we can get the first start. So it's gonna sound pretty good, huh? Oh, the pit's in the sun right now.
Mine. Oh, is it pretty?
Yeah.
My car had this exact downpipe, stock catback with parent mufflers with no resonator, and it sounded mint. This thing has a full 3-inch, so it's gonna sound mint. It might be a little quieter. It'll be about the same. Way louder.
Let's see how she sounds going down the road. Throttle's way off.
It's terrible. Oh, it's not happy.
Oh my. I'll sit down.
Why?
Probably because I just set my idle really, really low.
Oh yeah, you gotta turn that up. I had mine at like 800. Did it flutter?
Wow. I'm gonna fix my idle up here. It's so not responsive.
It's gotta get used to it.
Alright, oh my god. Seth's gonna go take it for a rip because he wants me to hear this thing, so. He says it sounds a lot better in his car, which it's hard to believe, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it does sound pretty good, but I don't know. I don't know if it's better than his. It's really, really raspy, which I kind of like. It's not like, it's super deep, so it's not like ricey, but it is raspy. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. While I was editing, I did notice that the camera did a few funky glitches and stuff. Not sure what that was all about. I'll just wipe the SD card completely, charge the battery, and hope for the best. But yeah, if you're looking to do an Invidia downpipe, catless or catted, I recommend it. Been driving the car for like 3 weeks now. Sounds amazing. You know, I have no boost creep either, which I know is like a common issue for catless downpipes, especially if you don't have an external wastegate or you don't have like a ported wastegate or anything like that. Mine's 100% stock, and I haven't had any boost creep yet. So, yeah, if you're looking to do it, I'd recommend it. I love the sound. It might add a little bit of power. So, yeah. Like I said in the beginning, we're still waiting on some parts, but hopefully within the next week, we can get this whole build going, and that'll all be up on the YouTube channel. So, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like. Comment down below what you think of it, and yeah, catch you in the next video. Peace.